Hello, this is a short video to discuss the hover or popover functionality which has just been added to Simpli list views. Up until now, when we have taken the mouse and moved it over the account or the record names or lookups, nothing is being displayed. But as of 2.41, we've now added the ability to have hover information displayed. This hover information is something which is standard in Salesforce, and so we've incorporated it into Simpli List Views. Just by downloading and installing Simpli List Views, you will have that hover functionality installed. If you do an upgrade, it'll be installed as well and will be available for all record object types, standard or custom. So if we just look at the everything example here, and we move the mouse over the account name, and that's over the actual text itself, you will see here that the hover information gets displayed. And this is the compact display, two-column compact display. That was a decision that was just made. And then that is available inside of the account compact layouts. So we could go to the original list view, and we can actually take a look at the object itself, the account object itself. And what we'll want to do is go to the page layouts and take a look at the compact layouts. There it is right there. So we select the compact layout. Here's the system default. And what it does is it allows you to select those fields which will be included in the compact layout. And you'll see all of those fields when we go back and we select, or we just roll over, we'll see that the values there as well. Now this happens automatically, depending, it determines what the ID of that field is and the custom object, and will display. So if we were to go, for instance, and move over to this user full name, the user information pops up and is displayed. There will be some information which is not available because there are no compact layouts. For example, this profile name, if I move over it, you'll notice that nothing gets displayed. That's because there is no profile compact layout available for the profile. One thing to know is that when you do move over, you'll notice that the popover stays there, it doesn't move, and that's to allow us to be able to go into the popover and to select particular fields if we want to. And in order for that particular pop-up to be to disappear, there are a number of different ways we can do it. We can either click the X up here, or we can click outside of the popover. So if I just click over there, you'll see it disappears. Or another alternative is to move the mouse away from the data table. So if we move up, as soon as we move out of our page here, this particular frame, the popover disappears. So you'll see there that it's still there, gone. So that's from a functionality perspective. There is also, if we decide that we don't want to use pop-ups at all, there is, if we go to the admin selection, we can look here and see display record popovers. We can just set that to no. And also, if there are certain popovers that we don't want to see, we can add them in. So I just added contact in here, and if we were to go to contacts and select a list view, and we were to go to contact, nothing gets displayed. Okay, but if we go to account gets displayed. Okay, so that's a way of removing those if people find that there's just too much being displayed on the screen, or if they don't want that information to be available to the users. And that's all for now regarding pop-ups. Thank you so much.